What a day in the stock market, right? We are basically in bear market territory, 10+% down for equities, and came a whole bunch of the way back. I think the S&P 500 ended up like 4% up today. We've been watching a little bit of a march down. The other thing that's been going on while the market's been going down, equity market, right? We've seen the bond market, the 10-year treasury go down, and what that's doing is that's lifting the yield on those treasuries, which 10-year treasury impacts mortgage rates. So last year, January 2021, right? 2.5% mortgages. This year, January 2022, right now at least, about 3.5% mortgages. Hi, I'm Hutch Marone. I'm your real estate agent in Atlanta, and I'm here to help you with the housing market. So what does higher interest rates mean? Okay, in housing, the hope of the Fed is to slow things down. Major economists still predict the housing market will be up, right? How can that happen if interest rates are rising? Well, right now, I think we're at a 5-year low in housing inventory, meaning many more buyers than there are sellers, which causes prices to go up. So despite rate increases meant to cool down the market, we will likely still, against that headwind, see the price of houses go up. My concern for home buyers right now, my biggest concern is the buyers who are going to cross their fingers and hope rates come down. The Fed's already indicated 3 or 4 increases this year. We just don't know what that'll actually look like until it happens. The bond market is starting to drive down the price of the 10-year treasury, anticipating new treasuries will be issued starting this Thursday at a higher interest rate, right? So they're selling off the lower rate ones. So the market's doing this right now on its own. The Fed hasn't actually moved yet. They've just strongly indicated they will. So what if they move more? What if we're at 4% instead of 3.5% by the end of the year? And if prices continue to go up, not only do you have rate increases eroding your buying power, but that 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, traditional home here in Atlanta is going to cost X amount of dollars more, even if it's 5%. Let's call it, $420,000 versus $400,000. The most complicated part of all of this, finding you a home amidst the low inventory, and that's where having a good agent who's well connected, knows people in the region, and knows how to get it done for you. That's where somebody like me really comes into play. So again, Hutch Marone, your real estate agent here in the Atlanta market, would love to grab coffee with you, talk more about this, come up with the solutions and the plan that's going to get you and your family into a great home.